In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish your AI-generated app online in Firebase Studio. By the end of this walkthrough, your AI-generated app will be live on the web using Firebase hosting. We'll follow the guided flow in the Firebase console, move through the hosting setup, install the Firebase CLI, initialize your project locally, and deploy. I'll explain what each step is doing so you understand not just where to click, but why you're doing it. Start by opening the Firebase console in your browser and selecting the project that will host your app. If you've already built your app with an AI tool, make sure you know where the compiled output lives on your computer. That's the folder that contains your ready-to-serve assets, usually named build, dist, or public, depending on your framework or generator. Keep that path in mind. We'll point Firebase to it shortly. On the left sidebar of the console, find the section labeled Build. This is where Firebase groups the tools for creating, releasing, and managing your app's infrastructure. Click Build to expand the options, then choose Hosting. Firebase Hosting is a fast, secure, and globally distributed web hosting service perfect for static sites and single-page apps. It gives you an automatically provisioned SSL certificate, a global CDN, and a clean workflow for updates. On the hosting page, click Get Started. This opens a friendly wizard that outlines exactly what we're about to do. The flow has three parts: install the Firebase CLI, initialize your project locally, and deploy. You can keep the wizard open as a checklist while you work. First, install the Firebase CLI. This command line tool connects your local project to Firebase services. If you don't already have it, the easiest way is with Node.js and NPM. Once Node.js is installed on your machine, open a terminal or command prompt and install the CLI globally. After installation, run a quick version check to confirm it's available. The CLI gives you commands to log in, initialize hosting, and deploy your site with a single line, which keeps your workflow simple and repeatable. Back in the wizard, click Next to move to initialization. Open your terminal at the root of your app's project folder. Sign into Firebase from the CLI. This opens a browser window to authenticate your Google account securely. When you're signed in, initialize hosting. The CLI will ask a few questions. Choose the existing Firebase project you selected in the console. When prompted for the public directory, enter the folder that contains your app's built files, for example, dist, build, or public. If your app is a single-page application, choose to rewrite all URLs to your index file so client-side routing works correctly. When asked about setting up automatic builds or overwriting configuration files, respond in a way that preserves your current build output and keeps the configuration under version control. The CLI will generate a firebase.json and a .firebase.rc file. These define your hosting behavior and keep your project linked to Firebase. Return to the console wizard and click Next. This step is simply acknowledging that initialization is complete and you're ready to publish. Now deploy to Firebase hosting. In your terminal, run the deploy command for hosting. The CLI uploads your files, configures the CDN, and returns a unique, secure URL for your live site. You'll see a deploy summary that includes the hosting URL and any configured channels. Click Continue to Console in the wizard, and you'll land on the hosting dashboard for your project. You should now see your site status, the live URL, and a history of deployments. Open the URL to confirm everything looks correct. If you need to fix something, update your app locally, rebuild it if necessary, and run the deploy command again. Each deployment creates a new immutable version, making rollbacks easy if you ever need them. That's it. You went from console to hosting, installed the CLI, initialized your project, and deployed. With this setup in place, future updates are as simple as rebuilding your app and running one command. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly published app on Firebase hosting.